Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back with another video. And in today's videos, I want to show you guys how to migrate WP Ultimo network into whmcs system. Okay, let's get started. Okay, you guys, so recently one of my customer, this website's right here, they want to change the domain name and they want to redesign this website right here. And I figure might as well show you guys the process of me migrating this subsite from my WordPress multi-site network into the whmcs system. And I just want to show you guys the step-by-step process of how I do it. And first, we will need to create a user for whmcs system. So I'm going to copy this email right here, and I'm going to add a new client in my whmcs system. All right, and just like that, I think we can just add this client without sending the new account information, because this website right here is managed by our company. The user, they don't really know a lot of English, they don't know a lot of tech on the computer, so they just want me to manage the website for them. So just like that, we add the new client, and now all we have to do is just add a new order. Okay, and they want to change a new domain name for the website. So first, all I have to do is just choose a package I want to deploy for my customer. Okay, so as you can see, I have a bunch of products. So I'm going to choose the basic hosting for this customer right here. And I have already looked up this domain name on my system. So this price right here is custom price. If I sell this domain for this price right here, I probably make like a $5 profit every year if the customer stay with me for a long time, right? Okay, so I'm going to paste in the domain name I'm going to purchase in a little bit, and I'm going to override the price at $0 because in my Stripe account I already charged this customer right here $25 a month. So that case, if the customer want to change like the prices and stuff like that on this website right here, I'll do it for them for free. And if they want like a small edit and stuff like that, I'll just do it for free for that management price, you know. So I think it is a very good price for my customer, because my main goal is trying to provide as much value as possible to my customer. Okay, so for the domain registration, we want to choose registrations for this domain right here. We want to choose DNS management, just like that. We can just override the price. So we see the updated total right over here. Okay, so we would need to submit this order right here. Okay, so the system right now is deploying the new setup. Okay, we can click right here to check out this hosting. We can click right here to log in to cPanel, and we can copy this domain name right here, and we can paste this in right here to see if this domain right here deployed for this cPanel. And we will need the all-in-one WP migrations. This is a premium plugin. This is what I use to export of my subsite into a new website. And if you want to export the whole network, you can do that. But as you can see, I have a very large amount of subsites on my network, so it will take a very long time to do that. So I'm going to just choose the websites I want to export, and I'm going to click on this advanced options. I'm not going to export of the inactive theme, inactive plugin. For this options right here, do not include the selected files. So I'm going to choose of the files I don't want to include with this export right here. So for the plugin, I'm going to fast forward with this step, because everyone preference is different. Okay, you guys, and just like that, we can click right here to export this WordPress multi-site subsite, and we can export it into a file. file completed, all we have to do is just click right here to download. Okay, so it's downloading right now. Now we need to go back to our cPanel's website, and all we have to do now is just click on the WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Okay, so this is my preferred software to install WordPress. We can click right here to install a new website. We can choose HTTPS, and right here for the site name is going to be name. Okay, and for the admin username and password, you can choose it to your preference. Let's install this website right now. And cPanel is very quick with installing the WordPress website. We can go back to WordPress management, and we need to remove a couple of plugins, and we need to add a couple of plugins. We can go to manage plugin. We don't need these, so we just remove them. And we need to add a new plugin, WordPress migration. We need to look for that plugin, WP migration. Okay, so this is the plugin right here. We can click right here to install. And if you want to upload a plugin, you can choose to upload the plugin right here, because this plugin right here has the premium extension. So I'm going to install this premium extensions right here. Now we can close it. Okay, now all we have to do is just click right here to log into the new website. And just like that, we have our plugin right here, and we need to go to our plugins, and we need to activate the extensions right here. Okay, and just like that, we can go to import, and we can click right here to import to our WordPress website. But one of the things I found is that if you go to your cPanel and you go to file manager and you upload the file direct to the backup folder, it will be much quicker. Let me show you real quick. Okay, so your WP content, and this is the directory we are going to upload the downloaded export file. The file upload much quicker to the server, and just like that, we complete this upload right here. And now if you refresh, or you can go to the backup tab right here, you see the file. And you will need the all-in-one WP migrations extensions in order for this to work. There are many ways you can get this extension for a very affordable price, so you can look around on the internet. Okay, and we can click right here to restore the website. So the plugin is just doing what it does, but it's going to give you a couple windows that you need to check. So it's fairly fast on our hosting server. So if you're interested in creating the web hosting business like the one I built for smartandgood.com, feel free to check out my other videos, because in those videos I show you guys how to deploy the whmcs system on a reseller hosting account. And then if you want to automatically deploy WordPress custom website for your customer, feel free to check out my whmcs add-on module, because by simply install that module for your whmcs system, you can easily turn your whmcs system into a WordPress website builder. Alright, you guys, in just a few minutes, the restorations of the templates that we exported earlier are completely successful. Okay, now we can hit finish, and then we can check out the front end of the website to make sure it's look like the website we exported earlier. Okay, so yeah, so it looks like everything worked. Now all I have to do is just design a new logo for this customer right here, change all the business informations and stuff like that, and then change the address of the business location. Alright, you guys, I think that's it for this videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this little short videos that I make to show you guys how to export your WordPress subsite, your WordPress multi-site network, and you can import it into a brand new WordPress installation. So I'm currently in the process of migrating off my customers' old websites. I used to build customer websites with WP Ultimo, but I am no longer using WP Ultimo because they are currently lacking in terms of the domain reseller, and the new updated versions has a lot of bugs, and I don't think it's capable to handle a lot of customer websites. And then a bunch of customers, they want to have their own plugins, they want to add their own customizations to the website, and they are not being able to do that with WordPress multi-site. So that's why I want to, move and build a new system so that it can handle all of those customers. Okay, you guys, so I would just want to thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions about building your own web hosting business, building your WordPress website builder with a whmcs system, feel free to contact me. I'll put all my information in the video description so you guys can check it out. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.